to solve this problem by using Person's identity. So like before problem, so now we have to construct Person's identity formula, which is integral 0 to infinity f of x g of x. If you have two different function in denominator, you have to write a separate function itself. So into d of dx, which is equal to integral 0 to infinity. Here Fourier sine transform of f of x and Fourier sine transform of g of x into dx. So before problem, you have to choose f of x and g of x. So here also f of x is equal to e power minus ax, g of x is e power minus bx. So now you have to multiply both the terms, which is f of x into g of x, which is equal to e power minus a plus b times of x, right? So now you have to find Fourier sine transform f of x, Fourier sine transform of g of x. So Fourier sine transform of f of x formula will be square root of 2 divided by pi integral 0 to infinity f of x sine sx into ds. So which is equal to root of 2 divided by pi integral 0 to infinity f of x value will be e power minus ax sine sx into, I'm so sorry here, dx. So you just know integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax. So like this integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax sine bx into dx is equal to b divided by a square plus b square. So you can compare this whole term with this result. You can get instead of b, you have to substitute yes in this result. Okay. So root of 2 divided by pi times of, instead of b, you have to substitute yes, right? So you will get yes divided by a square plus s square as a Fourier sine transform of f of x, right? So now we have to find Fourier sine transform of g of x. So for that, the formula will be square root of 2 divided by pi integral 0 to infinity g of x into sine sx into dx. So which is equal to square root of 2 divided by pi integral 0 to infinity g of x value will be e power minus bx sine sx into dx. Now you can compare this and this. Instead of a, you have to substitute b. Instead of b, you have to substitute yes, right? So which is equal to root of 2 divided by pi. So value will be, instead of b, you have to substitute yes. So s square plus b square or b square plus x square, everything is right. So this is your Fourier sine transform of g of x. So now you have to multiply Fourier sine transform of f of x and Fourier sine transform of g of x. So Fourier sine transform of f of x into Fourier sine transform of g of x will be square root of 2 divided by pi s by a square plus s square root of 2 divided by pi s divided by b square plus s square. So now we have to substitute f of x into g of x value and this value in equation number 1. So from first equation, integral 0 to infinity, f of x, g of x value will be e power minus a plus b times of x into dx, which is equal to integral 0 to infinity. So now we can multiply this root 2 by pi into root 2 by pi as 2 divided by pi. So this is s square divided by a square plus s square into b square plus s square, right? Into ds. So now we are taking this 2 divided by pi to that side after the integration. So now we are going to integrate this term, which is e power minus a plus bx divided by x coefficient, which is minus a plus b. The limit is 0 to infinity, integral 0 to infinity 2 divided by pi s square divided by a square plus s square b square plus s square into ds. So now you have to substitute the limit value. So now first we have to substitute the upper limit, which is e power minus infinity will be the whole term will be 0, which is 0 minus, this is for lower limit value is 0, you have to substitute x value as 0 on this term. So you will get e power 0, value will be 1, so you will get minus 1 by a plus b. Here already one minus here, so minus to minus plus, so 1 divided by a plus b. So we can write 0 plus a plus b as 0 plus 1 divided by a plus b as 1 divided by a plus b, which is equal to 2 divided by pi integral 0 to infinity s square divided by a square plus s square times of b square plus s square into ds. So now I am just taking this 2 divided by pi to NHS side. So it will become pi divided by 2a plus b, which is equal to integral 0 to infinity s square. I'm so sorry. S square divided by a square plus s square times of b square plus s square into ds. Right? So you will get the answer for this integral. Instead of x, we just got s